Congratulations on the purchase of your Trattorina pasta machine. This video will assist you in the operation and maintenance of your machine. With proper care, you can expect up to 20 years or more of use. Your Trattorina machine is designed with the highest standards of quality. Its stainless steel and chromium-plated steel finishing make this an extremely durable product. Its unique design will allow you to work easily and with extreme comfort. Your Trattorina machine comes equipped with 2 clamps and 1 handle. We recommend you read the instructions manual to familiarize yourself with the general operation and parts of your machine. Fix the machine to the table by using both clamps. You may use any of the 4 indentations provided in the machine depending on your space or comfort. Now insert the handle in the lower hole and your Trattorina is ready to use. Put 1 pound flour in a bowl. Add 5 eggs and mix with a fork. You may also use a food processor. At this point, you can add different ingredients to the mix, like blended spinach, grated beets, walnuts, and fine herbs, in order to add color or flavor to your dough. You may also use the other kinds of flour as the base of your mix. Your imagination is the limit. Mix well until you get a uniform and consistent texture. Add water if your dough is too dry, or add flour if it feels too wet. If any of it sticks to your hands, make sure to add more flour. Divide the dough in 2 or 3 parts, and start working it with your Trattorina. Put the dial, located on the left side of your machine, on number 1. Sprinkle the dough with flour, and pass through the smooth rollers by turning the handle. Pass it through a few times, folding and sprinkling with flour until you get a sheet of pasta that is very uniform and without any moisture on the surface. Now, stretch the pasta without folding by increasing 1 number in the dial at a time until you reach the desired thickness. Here are some examples of pasta sheets made with different ingredients. To cut, just pass the sheet through the narrow or wide cutting rollers. Here are other styles you can make with the machine. Thin spaghetti. Stretch the pasta up to number 8 or 9 and cut on narrow rollers. Chinese noodles. Using the appropriate recipe, stretch the pasta up to number 4 and cut on the narrow rollers. Rice-style pasta. Cut on narrow rollers. Sprinkle with flour and then cut across with a knife. This can also be done with pasta cut on the wide rollers. Tortellini. Cut in 2.5-inch squares. Put filling in the middle, fold in a triangle. Wrap around your finger and fold tips downward. Bow ties. Stretch up to number 8, cut in small rectangles with a wheel, and join the sides in the middle with your fingers. For the thinnest sheet, stretch up to number 9, sprinkle well with flour. Place a piece of paper in the middle, fold, then pass through number 9 again, and you'll have an almost transparent sheet of pasta. To clean your Trattorina, wipe over with a dry cloth and clean the rollers with a brush. Do not wash with water or in the dishwasher. Remember, you can always choose the ingredients with which you want to make your dough and fillings. Don't be afraid to experiment with your Trattorina.
The Trattorina ravioli maker is the perfect complement to create your own ravioli quickly and easily. Prepare the sheet of dough in your machine. Place the ravioli accessory on the machine, making sure it is sturdy. The same handle is used for both the machine and the ravioli accessory. Sprinkle one side of the sheet with flour and fold it in two, keeping the floured side on the outside. Insert it in the rollers, turning the handle 1/4 of a turn. Now, open the sheets like a book and place the filling in the middle. Always make sure that the filling is not too wet or humid. Turn the handle slowly, making sure the ravioli sheet is coming out evenly. Keep pressing and adding more filling as needed. Before the sheet of dough is finished, take away any remaining filling so it doesn't dirty the rollers. To clean any filling from the rollers, it's better to let it dry first. This will make the cleaning easier. You can always make different fillings and flavors of dough, like this raspberry-filled chocolate ravioli, which is a perfect dessert. Remember, you can make amazing creations with your Trattorina ravioli maker. Just choose your filling and your type of dough, and your Trattorina will do the rest. Now, like at the authentic Italian restaurants and trattorias, you have the opportunity to delight family, friends, and yourself with your own pasta. The Trattorina machine and ravioli maker offer you the most comfortable and easy way to prepare fresh and delicious pasta. In addition to pasta, the Trattorina machine helps you prepare pastries, empanadas, phyllo dough, and many other ethnic recipes. Let your imagination be the limit to the delicious meals you can prepare with the Trattorina pasta machine.